friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a YouTube drain test in the Realme 6 phone, friends, as you can see here. So, if you're first time watching this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description also for the playlist for the YouTube drain test. So, where I uploaded all the YouTube battery drain test, friends, in one playlist. So, it will be very helpful for you all in terms of knowing which phone can last longer. As you can see here, friends, I uploaded plenty of videos. So even there is a playlist for the PUBG drain test as well, so which will be very helpful, friends, for you all in deciding which phone to buy. So if you are having any doubts regarding the smartphones, you can message me in the Instagram. So there is a link in the description, friends. You can follow my Instagram, and there I'll posting all the camera samples regarding all the smartphones. So you can ask me the queries in the Instagram, friends. So and you can follow my page so you can stay up to date about the latest camera samples. And let's get started with the YouTube drain test here. And in this test I'll be using with the 50% brightness. As you can see, I have disabled the auto brightness mode and with the Wi-Fi connection, and there is one single SIM in the phone, friends, so which I won't be using any data throughout the time. So only with the Wi-Fi connection and with the 50% brightness and with the earphones connected. And I got the stopwatch ready, friends, here in the Redmi K20 Pro device, as you can see. Let me try to open the YouTube application, friends. And before opening, let me show you the display refresh rate at what I'm using. So let me select to the 60 refresh rate, friends, as you can see. So this is with the 60, and let me clear all the background memory. So here is the YouTube, and let me open one of my playlist. So as you can see, friends, I'll be selecting one of the playlist, friends, in playing continuously the YouTube drain test. And also do subscribe to my channel. Again, I'll be back after the battery gets close to 50%, and we can record how much time it takes to go to 50%, and then again at a 0% I'll record again another video. So overall we'll get to know how long the phone can actually last with the 50% brightness and with the Wi-Fi connection throughout the time. Let me disconnect the charger and start the stopwatch, friends. And I'll be selecting the 1080 resolution throughout the time while playing this YouTube continuously in the Realme 6 device. As you can see, friends, the stopwatch has already begun. So do subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, for more videos, review videos on other smartphones. So if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, don't forget to ask me in the Instagram, friends. So definitely I'll be replying to you in the Instagram. And again, I'll be back, friends, after the 50% the battery gets in the Realme 6 device. As you can see, friends, it's been 6 hours of continuously playing the YouTube in the Realme 6 phone. So let me show you how much is the battery percentage at the moment in the phone, friends. So for more YouTube battery drain test, do check the playlist, friends, so where you can find plenty of interesting videos. As you can see right now, the battery percentage of 60, friends. So exactly after 6 hours. So for every 1 hour there is a drain of 10% in the battery, as you can see. So overall you can expect up to 10 hours of continuous YouTube playback test is possible, friends, in the Realme 6 device. So overall give or take maybe 9 to 10 hours. So overall you can consider in the Realme 6 with the 50% brightness and with the Wi-Fi connection enabled, friends. So even if you observe throughout the time, I am using only the YouTube application for continuously for 6 hours. So these what the results are. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. So right now the time is around 10 o'clock at the night time, and that's why I'm required to set down the test, friends. So because tomorrow morning I need to take the Realme 6 device for testing purpose of the 4G data. So that's why I decided to stop the test here itself and show you the results, and we can calculate overall how much screen on time, like how much YouTube you can play in the Realme 6 device. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.